In this demonstration, we will review the steps to restore Microsoft 365 Teams. Click Restore and select Restore Teams. Click Connect. Select an account or enter a sign-in. Accept the permissions requested. Click Next. Select the team to restore. In this example, we will select Sales and Marketing and click Next. Select the channels to restore. Enter a team name for the restore location. In this example, we will enter Sales and Marketing Restore. Review and confirm the tenant and team information, and click Restore. The items are queued for restore, which may take several minutes. Click Finish. Teams appears as an active data source for the device. Review Backup and Restore Jobs from the History tab or the Backup and Restore Jobs tab.